Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I got my package via DHL, and this is from a company called EvaWigs. You guys, this was the very first company that I've ever worked with on YouTube, the very first company that actually gave me a shot, so shout out to them. So my package did come with bobby pins, a user manual, and also some wig caps, a comb which has their logo on it, and I believe they sent an elastic band. Yes, they did. And of course the wig itself. So this is the wig straight out of the package. This is a lace front wig. It does have combs along the wig perimeter and also in the back. I believe there's 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It does have adjustable straps, and you guys saw earlier that it did come with an elastic band that you can attach to your unit. So this is one of EvaWigs' newest wigs, you guys. This is one of those fake scalp wigs. So all that pretty much means is your days of bleaching knots are over. So here I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like before I cut the lace. You know, as I showed you guys earlier with the fake scalp, you do get very limited parting space. But as you can see down the middle, it does go back rather far before the tracks start. So that's what I'm showing you guys right here. So off camera, I did go ahead and adhere this wig to my head using my, what is that, you guys? I always forget the name. What is it? Oh my god. Bold hold. There it is. Bold hold active. That's what I used to adhere this wig to my head. Oh my god, y'all. I'm so sorry. But anyway, in the rest of the video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I get the wet look. So all I'm doing here is just spraying it down with some water, and then I'm just going to add the mousse, style it up. I believe off camera I did my baby hairs. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I have zero complaints about this unit. I love EvaWigs. I've always loved them. And as you can see, this wig looks super freaking natural. It looks so natural and I absolutely love it. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all of the information will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. And also don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell twice, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.